Sriman Narayana is a popular Carnatic kriti composed by Annamacharya, a great saint, poet, and a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Set in Raga Bauli and Aditala, this composition is beautiful expression of devotion and praise for Lord Vishnu, particularly in his form as Sri Venkateshwara of Tirumala. The lyrics glorify the Lord as the protector of devotees, the compassionate ruler of the universe, and the embodiment of divine grace. In Bharatanatyam, this kriti is performed with a blend of nritta and abhinaya, allowing the dancer to depict the Lord's qualities, divine acts, his leelas, and the deep bhakti, devotion of a devotee. Sriman Narayana is often included in recitals to create a serene and devotional atmosphere, and it offers rich scope for emotive expression and graceful storytelling. The performers are Aradhya Yam, Aradhya Gauda, Sharanya, Spurthi, Shreya, Sai Sadhana, Tushita, and Arthana. Kalarasikas, we present Sriman Narayana.
श्रीमन्नारायण 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 निश्रीपादमे शरणु 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 सती मुख कमल कमल हित कमल प्रिय कमल क्षण कमला सती मुख कमल कमल हित कमल प्रिय कमल क्षण कमला सती मुख कमल कमल हित कमल प्रिय कमल क्षण कमलासन हित गरुड गमन श्री कमल नाभनि पद कमल में शरणु कमलासन हित गरुड गमन श्री कमल में शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 निश्रीपाद में शरणु परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर जगधेय